Welcome back everyone. Today's video is going to be on tailored 3D kits. First option, transport protection, and second, road test protection. Let's get started. First, transport protection. Product features include 3D molded, 100% coverage, 30-second dry install, tailor-made, 360 edge seal, no lift or blow off, and clear for driving. It protects from acid rain, bug residue, bird droppings, and tree sap to say the least. Second, road test protection. Product features include 3D molded, 100% coverage, 5-minute wet install, easily removable, 360 edge seal, tailor-made, no lift or blow off, the options of 1 or 2 piece kits, and is undetectable to robot sensors. This product is nearly invisible after installation and protects from chips and cracks. And don't forget to look out for our SEMA booth this October in the Upper South Hall. Also, check out our Instagram and website listed down below.